So dear students, in our previous classes, we have already studied about what is equation actually and what is linear equation. Apart from linear equation, I have also taught that what is quadratic equation, what is linear equation, what is cubic equation also. And I have also mentioned that what is degree. So I am not moving too much further in back. I just want to mention to you here that if suppose any expression is written like 3x plus 5, it's just simple an expression. This is not an equation, beta. This is only an expression. So if suppose I mention here an expression, and if you see this, what is the power of any variable? What is the power of any variable? Okay, the highest power, we can call it the highest power of the variable is known as the degree of that expression. For example, here there is no power of x. If no power of x means it is talking about 1, and if it is about 1, it means in this expression the degree is 1. And remember, if in any expression or an equation the degree is 1, it means you are talking about a linear equation. Okay, remember, then you are talking about a linear equation. The degree should always be 1, not more than 1, not less than 1. It should be always 1. And remember, you are doing the chapter linear equation in one variable. So remember, you cannot have more than one variable. For example, if suppose you got like this, so this is not a linear equation in one variable, beta. Here the degree is 1. You can see the degree is 1 only. But remember, this is not a linear equation in one variable, because here we are using two different variables. One is x and one is y. So we will not call this linear equation in one variable. Till this information is, yes. So the first thing which I want to tell you is I have already told you, beta, what is solution. Remember, for every linear equation, you are solving it and you are solving one answer, which you call it as a solution. So suppose the question comes, find the solution. That is also indicating the same situation. And suppose the question comes, you have to solve and find the value of variable. That is also locating the same situation. Okay. So remember, if the question comes, find the solution, then also the same. If it is written, find the value of variable, that is also same only. Now let us know, suppose the question comes, 3x plus 5 is equal to 26. It's a very simple question which I have only taught you in class 6 and 7 as well. Remember, whenever a question comes related to a linear equation, in that question you have to always take care of variable, that which variable is used. Here the variable is x. Here the variable is x. So what will you do, beta? Always remember, whenever you solve any equation, you keep the variable alone. You keep the variable alone one side, and rest every number, every numerical value, you keep it another side. Okay, opposite side of equal. Now let us solve this. Plus 5, सबसे पहले first we will remove this plus 5 from here. It will go that side in minus 5 because you are transferring it. Okay, and transferring it, it will give you here 26 minus 5, which will give us 21, and 3x will remain same over here. Now 3x is equals to 21 will come. Now the same thing again. Here this is 3x, you have to keep it x alone because you are finding out the value of only x. So for that, what will you do, beta? You will again transfer this 3 also. And remember, whenever you transfer something, it goes always in a opposite position. If it was in plus, अगर वो plus में था, वहां जाकर के it will go in minus. If it was in minus, it will go that side become in plus. If it was in multiply this side, उधर जाएगा तो it will go in divide. And if it was in divide this side, it will go that side in multiply. तो यहाँ 3x का मतलब क्या होता है? 3 into x is equals to 21. So it will give you x is equals to 21 upon 3, which will give us simply 7. So the value of this question, or you can call it, for this question, solution is 7. I hope it is clear to everyone now.
Yes.
A very simple question. You can see this question has a bracket. Now remember beta, this question has a bracket. You can solve it in two ways. इधर सबसे पहले आप इसके 2 को इधर ट्रांसफर कर दो, ठीक है, एंड ब्रैकेट सिंपली हट जाएगा उस तरफ से, क्योंकि 2 चला जाएगा वहां से, बिकॉज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x minus 5 it is written, because bracket means off. So either you just treat it as off, because off will multiply, off is having the sign of multiply. So either you can write it down like this and directly transfer 2 from this side, ठीक है, and जब आप 2 को उधर ट्रांसफर करोगे, क्वेश्चन will become simple. Now there is another way which you can also do it. You can simply use distributive property, which I have also taught you in first chapter, ठीक है. आप यहाँ पर simply you can use distributive property. By using distributive property, the bracket will open. How will you open? 2 will be multiplied with x, which will give you 2x. Then the sign of minus will remain minus only. Then 2 into 5, which will give you here 10. Then is equal to 20. Now this question has become just like the previous question, जो अभी हमने इसके पहले किया था, just तुरंत, ठीक है. So this question will become like 2x is equals to 20. This minus 10 will go that side in plus 10, which will give you 2x is equals to 20 plus 10, which will give you 30. And x is equals to 30 by 2, which will give us 15. Very simple question again. Yours? See.
Mine is
this
correct.
question. Okay, let's see.
See, also.
This beta, just a minute. I have started recording, no? Once you see, please. Yes, Ankit. Ankit is also new. Sorry, I forgot to take the name of Ankit. Ankit, welcome to class 8A. And if you face any difficulty, beta, in the class, you will always ask from me on my personal wall. Okay. So beta, in this question, what we will do? Just you have to first do the cross multiply. If you remember, I taught you last year also. Here, cross multiply will take place. If you will do cross multiply, ये वाला 9 जो डिवाइड में है, यहाँ उठ करके आएगा मल्टीप्लाई में, ठीक है. एंड ये वाला 5 जो है, it will go that side in multiply. So it will give you 3 into 5 that side, and here it will give you 3y into 9. So when you will solve this, it will give you 9 3s are 27y, and यहाँ पर आएगा 5 3s are 15. Now you have to just transfer it. 27 is here, which will go that side in divide. So it will give you y is equals to 15 upon minus 27. So if you remember, अभी हमने just rational number chapter में पढ़ा था, we cannot write negative sign in denominator. So it will give you here the sign. ठीक है, ये तो पहला step हो गया. Now you are knowing the table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. So the answer of this particular question will be y is equals to minus 5 by 9.